I want to see you literally 7 grand limiter. Good morning, you absolutely beautiful subscribers. Welcome back to another cheeky little monkey episode. Today we're actually going to be doing a pretty cool new series with my new cameraman Matt. He's got a Civic EG hatchback, completely bone stock, and he's quite keen to do a few mods to it, so we thought we'd introduce it to the channel today. And we'll also be adding his first mod to the car, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. Actually, it's his second mod. I kindly donated a Greddy gear knob to him the other day. That was his first ever mod on the car, and I'm going to be donating a second mod, which you guys will see in a little bit. Before we do that, I'm obviously in the little sack side today. We've got a raffle coming up on this car, so we're going to take it up to the farm and get it cleaned with Matt Civic. And we're going to do a cheeky little race. This is going to be France versus Japan, Baguette versus JDM. It's going to be sick. Matty! Hello! Welcome to the channel, old boy. Right, we're going to do a cheeky little race. So we'll do 3, 2, 1, then on the beep, which is there, flat out, yeah? I want to see you literally 7 grand limiter. He's only got tiny little biscuit wheels as well. I've got 8008s on here, so we'll see how we get on. How do you fancy your chances? He said he most likely will lose, but we'll see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Still pulling. He's not doing bad to me, man. He's right there. 3, 2, 1. I'm quite surprised actually. That was quicker than I thought, man. It was kind of up my bum bum. There we go. That was the first little cheeky race. 1-0 to the old Donkey London. We're only about sort of 5 minutes from the farm. It's kind of nice around here. Obviously don't emulate this, guys, on sort of like built up areas. The farm's like in the middle of nowhere, and you've got all these kind of sort of countryside roads around this. So yeah, if you are watching, please be sensible. None of that surty driving, absolute ridiculous madness. Right, here we go. Round 2, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Oh, mate, let's start there with the monkey. Yes! Have it. France for the win. Camera's gone wonky. 3, 2, 1, go. Good racing, Matty. Probably a little bit of an unfair race. This has got 100 horsepower. It might be a tiny bit lighter, the sack, so let us know in the audience. I'm not sure. Civic's obviously quite old school, quite light. I think that's a 1996 N-Reg. This is a 2002. But there wasn't really much between the Mark 1 and Mark 2 sacks. I think they were pretty similar, so yeah. Fat race nonetheless. Anyhow, we will see you lovelies up at the farm. We'll kind of go through Matt's car, show you the second sick modification I got lined up for him, donated by yours truly. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. The winner, the French Baguette, the little Civic. The one thing we must remark as well, I've got semi-slicks on the front, 8008s, and Matt's got what they're like biscuits.
Yeah, it's on 175.
Yeah,
so,
the world's
so small. It's
the world's thinnest wheels. And welcome to the channel. This is Matty, the new cameraman. Give me a fist bump. Very, very sick cameraman. We're actually going to do the first or the second mod to his car. We'll show you the first mod. Look at that. How good a boss is Monky?
Very good.
Donating them Greddy gear knobs, man. Look, he's got a proper, original, genuine Greddy gear knob. That's the first mod. He's even got a stock stereo, stock steering wheel. The car is literally bone stock. The next mod I'm going to donate to the cause is a set of Spandangly 15-inch wheels, which we actually removed from my EK Civic. They do need a refurb. Luckily, we've got James around there, who's a refurbishment specialist. Matty's just going to give the Civic a quick little clean and then we'll do a lovely little presentation for you lovelies. Fox Racing, baby. Matty in action. Oh, where's your camera gone? Show us a little. Look at the state. Look at this, man. Give this guy, employ this guy full time, big money. Can't even clean his own car. That's a Ronin, and that's a Sony
A7 R Mark III.
Mark III, yeah, pretty cool. I've actually got a, what's my gimbal? It's a Zion Tech, which is like a Chinese cheaper version of that. It's not quite as good because mine's just a single axis, but that's how you get those lovely smooth shots. Look at this, D series, 16 valves, 90 horsepower. Was it a D15?
D15 V2, not VTEC.
V2, yeah, non-VTEC, but VTEC is coming, Matty, we promise that. We're probably thinking we'll try and get him, we don't want to go too mad in the power yet, like I said before, we're going to try and sort of suspension first, get his brakes up to spec, maybe add a few little interior bits, really get the car handling and feeling crisp. Then we'll probably do like maybe a B18 C4, because you can still get them pretty cheap. Some guys were saying in the audience, Matt, we should maybe turbo the D series.
No, I don't have a point. I want to keep this anyway.
Some people will probably argue that there is, because you can do it, relatively speaking, quite cheaply these days, but I think, personally, B18 is the way forward. So I actually bought my one for my EK, the C4, we paid 450 quid, and that was pretty much for the gearbox, the LSD, the engine, so it's quite a good deal. Obviously since then prices have gone up, but that's kind of what we're working with for now. Best to kind of keep the horsepower it is, get the car handling and feeling beautiful.
Suspension's so shit.
Yeah, suspension's it's like a floaty boat, isn't it? We'll try and get all the cars sorted underneath. Like Matty was saying before, the rust is very minimal in this car. These are going for crazy money now. We used to pick these up for like 300 quid, now they're going for sort of 2 to 3, so anything up to sort of 10 grand for some of the sort of posher models. But needless to say, really cool that Matt's got an EG Civic. I know a lot of you guys in the audience love these cars and it really brings back a lot of fond memories, so hopefully we can bring you some sick action. I've also given the Saxo a lovely little clean. She's looking absolutely ream. We're going to be doing a raffle on this, very low entries as well on this, so real high chance of winning. As you guys know, I do the lovely gift set, so even if you don't win the car, you still get a beautiful gift set, all packed and prepared by my mum. We put lovely Tracy paper. Don't want to harp on too much, but it is a lot of effort, so hopefully you guys are going to love it. Wheels are looking lovely, interior's looking mint. Got the flock dash and the seats and the cage, a perfect little track car. As you guys can see, 15-inch wheels. We did actually just notice that one of the tyres has got no tread left in it, so we're just going to put them on for today and show you guys what they look like. We'll get some fresh tyres. That's the old wheels off the EK. I think they're like Civic coupe wheels, standard wheels I think, I believe, possible. With red badges for 5 horsepower per badge. Matty's just jacked the old Civic up, so now we're just going to start removing said wheels. We've also got an axle stand, safety first, very important. Aggressive already, definitely added about 20 horsepower then I reckon. For that baby. Them tyres have definitely seen better days. There, Matt, better?
Come on.
Looks sick, doesn't it? Fist bump.
Thank you.
Obviously bear in mind audience, the car is really high up and the wheels are in really shitty condition. But yeah, once we get the car a bit lower and get the wheels painted black again, and silver or black, what do you reckon? We'll let the audience decide.
Comment down below which one you prefer.
Yeah, let us know in the audience, black wheels or we can paint them silver. Let us know below, whatever you decide we will do. Oh yeah, that gives you a little idea. We won't bother doing the other side because like I said, tyres are mashed. We've got to put these tyres back on anyway.
I think it goes with the rubber strips. And
yeah, the black and the
black around.
Yeah, I do think that looks much better. Once we get rid of that massive It's literally a WRC rally car. You've got to think, if I sit on it a bit, better?
Still more thick.
Yeah, she's got a big old arch gap. That should give you lovelies a little idea of what we're up to with the EG Civic. Happy days, man. Try and get Matty some sort of cheap tyres on there, maybe some Rain Sport 5s or some sort of nice sort of middle ground thing to get you going, and obviously we'll get them all cleaned up and once the audience decide what colour, we can get them all refurbished by Jimbo, and yeah, happy days. The mods have started. I'm excited, man. And I'll promise you now, the project won't be as long as my EK Civic, and that is actually on the back. I know a lot of you guys are saying, where's the Civics? The most common question on the channel. But yeah, Gordon Street Race has got a couple more cars to finish in about 3-4 weeks when I'm back from Poland. I'm going to collect my new JZX81. If you've been paying attention to my Instagram and social media now, I've bought a JZX81 with a 1JZ from a very, very nice chap in Russia called Ignat. Do it right. Hopefully you've liked the little introduction to Matt. He's going to be around doing lots of bits and bobs with me. And it's yeah, a big thing for me to finally get someone to give me a hand, because Matt can tell you it's a huge amount of work doing all this, so it's really nice to have him on board. Hope you guys are going to welcome to the channel. Like I said before, please like the videos, comment below or dislike or whatever you want to do, but please interact with the videos. Make sure you put lots of comments, really try and get the old monkey out there, really appreciate it. As always, hope you enjoyed the cheeky little video. Bye from Mr. Matt, bye from me, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon. Peace.